Herbe et le milieu de la couverture.
Merde.
Ok, but.
Cognacho.
Allez.
But de l'Atleti. But de...
Huh? Yeah.
Oh shit.
Target?
I got him.
Okay, now I'm going to, don't put your finger on the trigger yet. I'm going to take it. Now you're ready to roll as soon as the click is.
Yep.
Now let me put my ears covered because it's going to make a noise. Hold it tight back and shoot.
Whoa, what a kick.
You almost tipped that chair over.
But I didn't move too much.
No.
Ben şut kırın.
All right, go.
Y'all serious about full auto?
Go for it. Come on.
Underneath the trigger guard, roll your palms together. So both your hands are going to sit on the left-hand side of the pistol. You're going to lock out both your arms. You're going to push with your right and pull with your left. Focus on that front sight tip. Now, if you want on this 44 Magnum, you can shoot it single action. Because that's like trigger pull.
Did you mean to do that?
Yeah.
Paper.
There. Aim in the middle of the paper.
Did you hit?
So this is the kind of ammo it shoots, 12 gauge. This is a 12 gauge birdshot, and yeah. So this weapon has only like a bottom loading feed. I don't know if you can see that. So you know how most guns like the Mossberg 500, they have a side breaching thing. Yeah, this one only has it from the bottom. So as you can see, and I think they did this in World War II because there was a lot of dust and mud and stuff. So they kind of did this so it's kind of more closed, and you know, it increases reliability. Also, this weapon has this cool feature where you press the trigger down, you can, and once you press this down and pull it up, oh.
Все подключение, она в установке абсолютно. Все безопасно. Так что отлично.
Пуск!
Jdem na ní na holku. Tím s tobou závěr. Že si vzpomněli.
Natáčí do něj.
Ty piču! Já mám po ramenu. Ty vole, bolí to, vej?
To je mrda. Počkala.
Adel, můžu?
Že ty taky jdeš?
To ne.
Vemeš mě taky ty.
Are you okay?
Ty, já budu mít modřina jako kráva.
No to jo, no, to budeš.
Nebudeš sama, kdo tam bude mít modřinu.
Kolik děláme tu další masáž? Takže jako tam tlačit k sobě.
To je taková pomůcka. Napumpovat?
To asi měla špatně, já jsem to měla tady. To nejde?
Od sebe víc, určitě. Tak. A teď zapřít do ramene, tím pádem...
Počkej. Ne, mi to nejde.
Pojď.
A nemám paměť. Ty nemáš paměť, nemůžeš.
Ty jsi nepočkala?